Hello everyone, my name is Griselda Montserrat Viveros López, and today I'm going to talk about task-based learning. Perhaps the most important element of any plan is the part where we say what our aims are. Aims should reflect what we hope the students will be able to do, not what we're going to do. So, aims can be written in plans, and this is an example. Class profile is a description telling us who the students are and what can be expected of them. It can give information about how the group and how the individuals in it behave, as in the following example for an adult class. Assumptions. This means saying what we assume the students know and can do. Personal aims are those where we seek to try something out that we have never done before, or decide to try to do better, something which has eluded us before. Example, in this lesson, I am going to try to give clear instructions, especially when I get students to read the text. Skill and language focus. This is often required by trainers in order to provoke trains into thinking about the implications of the chosen language skill. For example, the students will be able to say what they have just been doing using the present perfect continuing tense. Timetable fit. It needs to say where the lesson fits in a sequence of classes, what happens before and after it. The potential learners' problems and possible solutions. So, a good plan tries to predict potential pitfalls and suggest ways of dealing with them. It also includes alternatives, activities in case we find it necessary to divert from the lesson sequence we had hoped to follow. There are anticipated problems. For example, students may not be able to think of items to take to space station with them. The other essential part of a plan is a statement of the intended procedure of the lesson. This is often done as a list of separate stages, with indications of what you will do, what the students will do, how long you expect it to last, and what kind of interaction there will be, what the aims of the stage are, etc. This is an example of a lesson background complete. You can see the aims, the anticipated problems, solutions, and the level, the day, time, length, and the teacher name. So you can use some aids as a student's workbook, world map, whiteboard, worksheets, etc. And this is an example of a lesson procedure complete. You can see the stage of lesson and procedure. Next, the purpose and strategies could be receptive and projective, or only receptive or only projective. You can see what I'm going to say. In this part, you need to describe what are you going to say. Next, the interaction, teacher-students, student-teacher, or students-students. Next is the skills developed, grammar, listening, etc. And finally, the time, 10 minutes or 5 minutes, the time that you need to do the activity. And this is another example. You can see the stage, the procedure, tasks, interaction, aims, and time. And this is all for my part. Thank you for watching. See you later.